Step number 1. Grab your mobile phone or your computer. And step number 2. Click on the website just like this. And step 3. You can get paid starting today. As simple as that. So right now, I want you to take a look at all of these real payment proofs right here. And people from all over the world are making money right now. Take a look at this person that has already cashed out this amount of money. And all these people who have cashed out money from this new website. Now let's go down below. There are literally hundreds and hundreds of people that are cashed out every single day on this website. So here's how much money you can actually earn from this website. If you click on time, you can earn about 87 cents. Now take a look at this. When you do 10 clicks, you're going to earn $8.70. When you do 50 clicks, you earn about $43.50. And when you do 100 clicks, you can easily earn $87. And that's right, you can repeat this over and over again. This method today is 100% free, and this is available in all countries in the world. In this quick video, I will show you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll show you a real-life example so that you can watch me step by step exactly how to do this. And on top of that, I'll share with you a lot of bonus tips that can help you to make more money online, so make sure you don't miss out on that. So before we get into this video, can you do me a quick favor? Just scroll down below and help me by liking this video. That means a lot to me, and you're absolutely amazing. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit that bell icon as well to keep yourself updated. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So right now, the first step, I want you to go onto this website, which is LightGPT. You can go to lightgpt.com. So basically on this website, there are different ways that you can earn money online. Now the best way to make money on this website is actually PTC and video ads. Now PTC actually stands for paid to click, which means that you can actually get paid to click on a website or click on advertisements. So I'll show you a real-life example on how you can click on websites just like this or watching video ads just like these, and you can make a lot of money online. Make sure you keep watching all the way until the end. And once again, as you can see here, these are the real payment proofs right here on this website. And they are very transparent to show you how the ads and how the many websites you have clicked on them and how much money you already earn inside your account. Now, one of the reasons why I love this website is because they give you instant withdrawal. Today, within 24 hours, you can actually cash out your earnings. They do have a very low minimum payout, which is just 50 cents. Then you can begin to cash out your money. There are just so many different payment options right on this website. Right now, I want you to comment down below and let me know what is your preferred payment method right in your country. So right now, if you want to sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is just click on the green button right here to register. Now that's going to take you to this page where you can register for a free account. And again, the best thing about this is that this is available in all countries in the world. I want you to comment down below and let me know what's your country and where you are coming from, so that I can create more videos on your region in my future videos. So, very important, for the username, you can just put whatever username that you want, and then just put in your email address and your password. Confirm your password, and then for the referral code, you can just leave it blank. After all, I'm not going to give you any referral code right on this video. After all, I'm not making any money at all by just sharing this opportunity with you, because I just try to help you. And then for the final step of verification, in this case, they want you to click on this type of icon. So right here, I just have to click on this icon right here to choose on the one shown over here in the picture. It will automatically detect your country. And then right here, you just have to tick on both of these right here to read and accept the terms of service and privacy. So right now, we're just going to click on this blue register button to register. So right now, before I show you the real-life example of how to click on the website and watch video assets or money, I want to show you the second website, which is bucksinside.com. And the reason why you want to sign up on both websites, bucksinside.com and also LightGPT, because the more websites you sign up, the more ads you can click on the website and the more money you're going to make. Now as you can see here, for the second website, bucksinside.com, you can get paid every 10 seconds. So look at that. These are other real payment proof that people are cashing out their money every single day right on this website, and they're coming from different parts of the world. As you can see here, different countries from worldwide are able to make money and cash out their earnings. I love this so much because there are unlimited websites that you can just click on and earn 50 cents up to about $1 or $2 at bucksinside.com. You get paid by just browsing their advertiser's website. Just click on their website, then you can make money. And make sure you keep watching because I'll show you some real-life examples. So this opportunity, you can cash out with many different methods. For example, Payza, PayPal Money, Perfect Money, Payeer, Skrill, bank transfer, and there are so many methods that you can cash out your earnings. Then right here for bucksinside.com, you can cash out instantly today within 24 hours. And once again, you can cash out your money once you have reached $2, which is very easy, and I want to show you right now. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So right now, you're going to sign up for your free account. Just go ahead and click on this button right here. Click on register, and then you're going to come over to this page. Then right here, just put in your username. Right here on this column is put in your email address and then confirm your email. And once again for the referral, I'm not going to leave any referral code in my video. And then for the currency, you can choose whatever currency that you wish to get paid to. So in my case, I'll just choose on US dollars. And then right here for the payment method, you can choose on whatever payment method that you want. And then right here, you can just choose on your birth year, as simple as that. And then for the final section right here, they want us to click on some icons to prove that we are not a robot. We are actually humans. So in this case, the icon displayed on this one right here. And then I just click on this one over here and accept the terms of service. And just go ahead and click onto register button. It's as simple as that. So right now, I'll just show you a real life example. Now once you log into your account, you can find different ads that you can click on and actually make money. As you can see, this is an example of banner ads. Then just click on that. For example, I click on this one right here, and then that's going to take me to this website. So right now, very important, make sure you pay attention. I want you to stay on this website and these 30 seconds so you can actually credit the money to your account. So what I would do is that I would go on and click on the second banner right here. For example, this one. I just click on that, and that's going to take me to the second website as you can see right now. Don't worry, you don't have to sign up to any account. You don't have to do anything. Just stay on this website for at least 30 seconds so that you can actually receive your money. So make sure you don't waste any of your time. I want you to click on as many banner ads that you can. So I recommend you to click on 5 or 10 ads at the same time so you can wait 30 seconds all together so that you can save a lot of time and make way more money compared to other people. This is one way to do it by just clicking on the banner ads. So that right there is the first way to make money, which is key. So you can get paid to click on ads. The second way is actually by clicking on a video. So watching videos for 30 seconds. So once you successfully log into your account, you're able to go onto a Hideout TV and find different videos and video ads to watch. Just click on for 30 seconds so you can earn money online. So as you can see here, there are literally hundreds and hundreds of videos and ads that you can watch to make money online. In order to make sure that you actually get paid, I will help you to sign up for a free account. So I want you to click on this sign up button on top. And then you're going to come over to this page and scroll down below here and choose a username, your email address, and so for your password, just tick on these right here. After that, tick on I'm not a robot and just sign up for a free account. So say for example, I want to watch this video right here. I'll just click on this video and then that's going to take me through this page where they'll start loading on advertisements right on this video. Now sometimes you have 1, 2, or even 3 advertisements right in front of the video. Now with every ad that you watch, you can earn money online. The more ads you watch, the more money you're going to make. So depending on what videos that you watch, sometimes you get 2 or even 3 advertisements. Now some of the videos will get 0 advertisements. But don't worry, you can just go and click on other videos and make sure you have an advertisement in front of the video and stay for 30 seconds and watch the ads. That's how you can make a lot of money online. Now don't worry, You can actually do this on your phone, or you can do this on your computer. So what I want you to do is to actually click on multiple videos. So say for example, I click on this video, and this video right here, and open up multiple tabs as you can see here. For example, this is the first video that I'm watching, and this is the second video. And the more videos I watch, the more ads that I can actually click on, and I can make money online. The second thing that I like about this website is that on the right section, you can see sponsored. Okay, sponsor meaning advertisement. Now all of these sponsored ads are right here. Whenever you click on them, you actually make money online. So say for example, if I click on these ads right here, and then that's going to take you to this website. So right now, you just have to stay here for 30 seconds, and you can receive your money. And once again, this is an incredible opportunity because you can make 2 streams of income at the same time by just watching videos for 30 seconds. And also by clicking on banner ads like this, and then stay there on the website for 30 seconds to receive your money. You have unlimited opportunities right on these websites. There are so many different videos, so many video ads that you can watch, and so many banner ads inside a website that you can just click on them and actually get paid. And that's exactly how these guys are making a lot of money every single day by just clicking on websites and also clicking on video ads. And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.